Recording videos and capturing lectures should be easy for any organization that uses video as an educational tool. In this video, you will see how the HuddleCamHD SimplTrack Lite auto-tracking camera can be used with Pearl Nano to create an affordable, easy-to-use lecture capture system that can automatically record high-quality videos on a budget. The HuddleCamHD SimplTrack Lite is an auto-tracking camera system that can be set up to follow presenters from up to 55 feet away. The SimplTrack Lite features a powerful 20x optical zoom, allowing you to capture close-up views of important areas, such as whiteboards and demonstration tables, all in 1080p quality for your videos. Epiphan Pearl Nano is a compact video recording and lecture capture device that integrates directly with Panopto, Kaltura, and Yuja. The system's refined yet powerful feature set offers a tailored, user-friendly lecture recording experience. Using Pearl Nano's intuitive custom layout designer, you can easily create a dynamic layout for your recordings that combines multiple video and audio sources. For this example, the SimplTrack Lite has been connected to Pearl Nano's SDI input, and the instructor's laptop has been connected to the HDMI input. Pearl Nano is then able to create a picture-in-picture layout for lectures being captured and sent to the learning management system. Pearl Nano is also able to output an HDMI video feed to power a local confidence monitor for the instructor to view during presentations. And with its HDMI pass-through, the system can display a presentation or other video on another in-room monitor with zero latency. The instructor likes to schedule all of their recordings through the learning management systems. Because Pearl can integrate directly with Panopto, Kaltura, or Yuja, the teacher doesn't need to do any custom configurations or setup. Pearl Nano and other Pearl systems make it super easy to maintain working lecture capture systems with minimal end-user training or technical expertise. Note, if you're interested in creating multiple layouts or uploading separate recordings to a content management system, we recommend looking into Pearl Mini or Pearl 2 for your lecture capture needs. The HuddleCamHD SimplTrack Lite is always ready to track the teacher automatically, so there is no need for a camera operator. Students can easily read information written on a whiteboard and stay informed with teacher presentations and other content. At the end of each class, the video is automatically made available on the classroom learning management system. It's that easy. You can request an online or in-person auto-tracking camera demo by emailing sales@haverford.com. Whatever your lecture capture and video requirements are, Haverford Systems Integration can help.